In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Phantom Wallet. Make sure you have Solana in your account to cover the gas fees and in order to buy the meme coins. If you don't have any Solana in your wallet, what you're going to have to do is after you've logged in, you're going to go right over here and tap on the receive icon. And you're going to select the Solana address right here. And this is your Solana deposit address for Phantom Wallet. You're going to go right over here and tap on these two squares to copy your deposit address for Solana on Phantom. And now you can use this to deposit Solana from any other exchange or wallet you might have. You can also just go right over here and tap on buy right in your Solana address. And right here, you'll have Solana literally being the first option. And right here, you can buy right in Phantom Wallet. For example, if you wanted to buy $100 of Solana, you just tap on 100. And right here, you can select your payment option. These are the providers that they currently list. Yours might be different. You can also just pay with credit and debit card. Or if you have an account with any of these providers, you can also sign into that and use that. But for example, you just select a payment option, for example, Topper, which has the lowest price currently, complete the payment and Solana would be in your account. Now that you have Solana in your account, you're simply going to go right over here and tap on the swap icon. And right here where it says you pay, you're going to select Solana. And where it says receive, you can just tap on this arrow next to USDC. And you can go through this list and look for any of the meme coins you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy Fart Coin, Peanut the Squirrel, Official Trump. After selecting the Trump coin, you can simply enter in how much Solana you want to pay for the Trump coin. For example, if I want to trade 1 Solana, how to get 12 Trump coin. Next, you're going to go right down here and it should say preview. You're going to tap on that, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.